Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ananya Padwal and I share German related stuff here. So if you are into it, then please consider subscribing because I'm gonna give you lots of information about German, a bunch full of exercises, and I always try to make my videos interesting so that you would have fun while learning. So, what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn common phrases. Common phrases. Now, if you are wondering what are common phrases known as in German, they are known as häufiger Redewendungen. Häufiger Redewendungen. Häufiger Redewendungen. So now, let's start with our common phrases. The very commonly used phrase is thank you. Thank you. Thank you is known as Danke or Danke schon in German. Danke is just a short form like thanks. And Dankeschön is a bit formal way of saying that thank you very much. We can also say vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. Danke and Dankeschön are more used than vielen Dank, but vielen Dank is a very good way of saying thank you. It means thanks a lot or thanks a ton and times. So, thank you. Danke, Dankeschön, and vielen Dank. Our next phrase is welcome. Welcome. Now, when someone says you thank you, you in reply say welcome. So, welcome is known as Bitte or Bitte schon in German. The same way as Danke schön and Danke, Bitte and Bitte schon. So, Bitte is also a short form of saying and it's a informal way of saying. So, Danke, Bitte. Danke schon, Bitte schon. Now, attention. Bitte also has another meaning. Bitte also means please. Please. So, when someone says you danke and you say bitte, it means welcome. But when you have to say please, you say bitte. So, we will learn how to say that in our next phrase, which is please repeat again. Now, students ask this to the teachers many a times. So they ask that please repeat again. I did not understand what did you say. Please repeat again. So please repeat again is said as Bitte wiederholen Sie noch einmal. So please repeat again or please repeat once again. Let's slow it down. Bitte wiederholen Sie noch einmal. Bitte wiederholen Sie noch einmal. Now here we use the second phrase which was bitte, which means please. So bitte in this sentence means please. So bitte means please and wiederholen Sie noch einmal means repeat again or repeat once again. Yes? Now we have our next phrase or word which is ja. Ja. Ja means yes. Yes. So now let's look at a sentence. Willst du eine Pizza? Willst du eine Pizza? Willst is the conjugated form of the verb wollen. Wollen. We will learn this ahead. So willst du eine Pizza, which means do you want a pizza? Do you want a pizza? Then you reply, ja, ich will eine Pizza. Ja, ich will eine Pizza. Now, pizza's article is die. Okay. And will here does not mean the English will. I will. Not like that. It is the conjugated form of the verb wollen, ich will, which means yes, I want a pizza. I want a pizza. So, willst du eine Pizza? Ja, ich will eine Pizza. Do you want a pizza? Yes, I want a pizza. Next is nine. Nine. Now, as you must have guessed from its pronunciation, nine means no. No. Now, here also we are going to take a look at a sentence. Willst du eine Pizza? Do you want a pizza? Now the answer is different. Nein, ich will keine Pizza. Nein, ich will keine Pizza. Now here keine has come. There is no kind or there is no keinen. Keine has come because pizza's article is P. I have made a full detailed video on this. You can see it. It means no, I don't want pizza. No, I don't want pizza. So nein, ich will keine Pizza. Here also, will does not mean the English will. It means the conjugated form of the verb wollen. So I hope this is very clear. Now let's move ahead. Ich verstehe das nicht. Ich verstehe das nicht. Which means I do not understand that. I do not understand that. Ich verstehe das nicht. I do not understand that, or I don't understand that. So this is also very common in conversations of the teacher and the students, that I do not understand that. Will you please repeat it? Yes, so the repeat one, bitte, we learned about that. Now the next is ist das richtig? Ist das richtig? Which means, is this right? You ask your maths teacher, is this correct? Is this problem which I have solved is correct? So, is this right? Ist das richtig? Is this right? So that's all for today. Hope you found this video useful and you gain knowledge. So do use these phrases in your daily conversation. They are going to improve your German vocabulary and your speaking skill. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.